Rose installation tutorial. First, get the long Phillips screw and the door magnet. Magnet facing outwards. Align with the door magnet holes on the top panel. Then tighten with the long Phillips screw. Next, install a door magnet on the other side of the top panel. Then, install a door magnet on the lower door panel. Next, get pattern door, hinges, handles, screws. Turn the pattern door to the back. Find the holes for the metal plate. Then tighten with a Phillips screw. Next, install a metal plate on the other side. Use a flathead screw through the door's middle hole. Attach the handle to the screw and tighten. Clip the hinges into the door's top and bottom holes. Then repeat the previous steps, installing plates, handles, and hinges on the rest. Next, get the base bracket and long hex wrench the holes on the base panel face down. Then stand the base panel upright. Align the base and bracket holes. Ensure the grooves match. Then tighten with a long hex screw. Next, take the lower door with the magnet. The lower door faces forward and up. Align the lower door's holes and grooves. Then tighten with a long hex screw. Next, take the narrow shelf. Align the narrow shelf's holes on the bracket. Then tighten with a long hex screw. Next, install the remaining narrow shelves. Then, take the bracket for the other side. Align base, lower door, shelves with other bracket. Then tighten with long hex screws. After fixing the brackets, check this image to see if anything is wrong. Next, take the shelf retaining strips. Align the strips on the lower door panel. Slide the narrow shelves into the strips grooves. Loosely attach here with a long hex screw. Next, take the square bar. Rotate the shelf retaining strip 90 degrees. This reveals the square bar's mounting holes. Align the square bar with base and lower door holes. Then tighten with a long hex screw. Return the shelf retaining strips to their position. Next, take the insert strips. Align the insert strips on the lower door panel. Then tighten with a long hex screw. Use the same method for remaining insert strips. Next, take the back panel. Slide the back panel into the bracket and door slots. Next, take the top panel with the door magnet. Slide the top panel's groove onto the back panel. With the door magnet facing down, align with the corresponding holes. Then, first tighten here with a long hex screw. Secure the top panel to the rear bracket holes. Next, take this pattern door. Clip the hinge into the lower and top panel holes. Ensure the metal plate faces the door magnet. Note, this door installs on the far left. Next, take this pattern door. Install it using the same method. Next, take this pattern door. Install it using the same method. Next, take this pattern door. Install it using the same method. Tighten remaining top panel holes with screws. Next, take the stopper bar and align it in the holes on the rear top bracket. Tighten both side holes with hex screws. Then, gently lay the shoe cabinet down. For easier installation, align stopper bar with front bracket under base. Tighten both side holes with hex screws. Finally, lift the shoe cabinet up. It's now ready for use.